Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello, fellow gamers. In this video, I will explain how to make Marvel Rivals look better. Getting the best visual experience starts with your basic in-game settings. First, make sure your display resolution is set to your monitor's native resolution for the sharpest image possible. This is crucial for clarity. Next, consider enabling VSync. It helps synchronize your game's frame rate with your monitor's refresh rate, preventing distracting screen tearing and ensuring a smoother visual flow, especially during fast-paced action. These initial steps lay a strong foundation for a more immersive experience. Moving on to more advanced graphics tweaks, let's dive into specific settings that make a big difference. Elevating your texture quality to a higher setting will render character models and environmental details with much greater clarity and richness. Similarly, boosting shadow quality adds realistic depth and immersion to every scene, making the world feel more grounded. Don't forget to experiment with anti-aliasing options, such as TIA or FXOA, to smooth out any jagged edges on objects and characters, resulting in a much cleaner and polished visual presentation throughout your gameplay. Now, let's explore post-processing and effects, which can dramatically alter the game's aesthetic. Enabling ambient occlusion adds realistic contact shadows and improves overall lighting, making objects feel more integrated into their environment. You can also adjust bloom and motion blur to your personal preference. Bloom adds a soft glow to bright areas, while motion blur can enhance the sense of speed, creating a more cinematic feel. However, if you prefer a consistently sharp focus across the entire scene, consider disabling depth of field for maximum clarity. Finally, system optimization plays a vital role in achieving the best visuals. Always ensure your graphics card drivers are updated to their latest version. Manufacturers frequently release updates that improve performance and stability for new games. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer to free up valuable system resources, allowing Marvel Rivals to utilize more of your PC's power. For the absolute best experience, confirm that your computer meets or exceeds the game's recommended system requirements, ensuring smooth and stunning gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.